gonna be better because of you. You'll be in my heart. I promise.
You made me so happy.
I don't think we got much time.
I think it is because I'm reading this play right now, Romeo and Juliet. And there's this moment at the end where I am right now, where they're about to run away together and live happily ever after, and I can't help but think that could be us.
It's falling through our hands like sand. Do you ever think we had
I deserve better than being lied to.
Now I see it when I'm looking back.
Tell me the truth.
I don't know.
We were hopeless romantics. How did this happen? Baby, our love was beautiful. Now it's tragic. We were hopeless romantics.
Hey, you don't like me, do you?
Of course I like you.
No, I mean like you don't like me.
Like you?
Here we go again. I kinda wanna be more than friends. So take it easy.
Maybe just think about saving us for a second.
No one told you to come here. In fact, I specifically told you to not come.
Here we go again.
Do you like me?
At the moment, that's a tough call. You don't like me. Why do you care?
I'm really different.
Any courage I do have, I learned it from you. But if everybody could have found me in that pod, I'm the luckiest guy in the world, but it was you.
No, you look beautiful.
It was okay that I came back because I got
I didn't mean it. I just said it so you'd let me go. To protect you.